So, if anyone else has one of these 1/28 scale, I think it's 1/28 scale, right?
I think so.
Team Losi, Team Associated, sorry. Little buggies here. You might run into a problem where the charge port stops working. These transmitters come with this little charge wire, and the thing would stop charging, and you can wiggle it and find that it, sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. But this charge port basically wears out. So what I decided to do is make it so that it can charge like anything else we have in the hobby. So I have a little charge port here. So I'm going to solder that onto the receiver board to the main battery here. Terminals on the board. Route the wires out, maybe on top somewhere like this. And that way we can just bring it down here and charge it with a normal lithium battery charger. Right there. So any old lithium battery charger and half an amp and it would be ready to go again. Alright, we soldered on our little charging wire right here. And you can see here we just ran it onto the board. No problem, just soldered it on there. Now we can put it back together.
Yeah.
Here's a little charge plug, and I have a mating terminal here, and we've got it wired up to our charger, and we're charging externally. Not too bad. It's pretty easy.
Then I could drive it.
And then Eli could drive it.
Yeah.
Otherwise it would be dead
Yeah.
and stay dead because of the bad connector.